Tops, viewers and subscribers. Today we are gonna kick off the review with Quada done new song named Better Life. Yes, see me peeps. So me could jump in it now and me gonna see what go on.
Welcome. This way me say after that.
So me gonna hear how it start end of the day, see me? So you can hear the instrument them we play to see what kind of type of song it is at the same time. You see me? It's a bad artist, you see me? So I could start it right just so I can hear the lyrics, you know.
Right now some different road me depend. Worse me live for see my mother dead in a me hand. You want enough time and coulda mad. Oh.
Right, that's the artist come and say, yo, some different road me a chat, you see me? Where's the mother dead in a man? And me I tell you, for anybody really say that in a reality, me I tell you something different that I tell you it real and you have to strong for no lose it, mate says it. So that the dog I said this, so lucky thing him no mud because I know enough people when I have mother and father when them agree and them could stomach certain things. But me could jump in it now. Recite.
Inside my side. Enough time me looking at my life and me feel fi sit down and cry. Me I come from dirt, zinc fence and ply.
No jokes, people, and me can relate to right there. So, cause just so the things that you have some time when people might see a smile, but them don't really know how I go through your mids or where you feel on the inside. But I saw it off go. You can't make them know your weaknesses. It. For everyone likewise, you see me, cause the dog I tell you if I know one thing, him shed couple crocodile tears. You have to strong man and make sure the things get the best of you. You see me? I think we know this though. Yeah man, so here I go, we are jumping at the rest.
Vibes, everybody love fight. Yo, jump you, yeah, me brother for life. Tears flow from me eye. Fear tell you night, can't believe you drop out and you fit take a flight.
You know them way the people. You have some people more while you know all them just push a bit of bad energy and thing in it, you see me? You know people. Especially if you go lose all a good virgin and you know be a fuckery people they are hurt. You know that rough.
Friend take your life now make line night, yo. Me brother nothing but still I hold on to. Now worry myself I even know gone to. And not just the memory from.
But one thing my hate, and that a friend killer, remember that. You see me? So the dog come and say, yo, a friend take your dog life, which that kinda not so fulfilling for you, you get me? The same time the dog nah worry if you hear what him just say. You see me, cause what? Him know a evil him broke and rest up. Him know a pure good inside of we. The whole surrounding, so him nah worry. Here we go on people, you can watch the rest of the video they over upon Quada, it named Better Life. Give me a subscribe and a like right here, so we are jumping at the rest. You see me?
All we need is just a chance, to show them what we can.
You know, say that song you drop like 2 days before me come and do a review. You see me, but me did have to come do a review, people. That song you know normal, you know. Hey, me say if this connect one more time, I say yo Masicka, hey, jump in it.
Ooh. You didn't get to cry, you the pressure high. Not a mother ball, not a structure fly.
So I know I'm not tough and chang like ghetto people, you know, like myself, you know. Even though I don't come from such a low class, you see me, but you don't know we have extended family, we know the badness and everything, you get me? Honestly, me I tell you, enough people right now out there, you see me, we have faced some things, you see me, and it's just a chance them really need in a life, you see me, because me I tell you, I know what I mean in all aspects in that song, you see me, here I go on.
Get a gun before me get a blind. Could we take a life? Miss a death and I. You didn't dirty rough, but you better try. No giving up, I mean never lie.
It's like you wait for a chance when you must come, you get me? And you come from a situation where you don't want to be no walk over at the same time, you see me? So you have to do what's right. Your dog say him get a gun before him get a blind. You get me? Man, it's serious, man. It mean him now make them first him, so him strap up, you know?
Giving up, I mean never lie. Put my back on the wall, nobody feeling pan. Hide my pain in the drugs, that's why me ever high. Yeah, the soldier might have stumbled, but we never die.
If you ever hear the saying, me and my box against the wall, I hit that, you see me? The thing, I just that him no wanna help you, get me? Some people them not get no help, but the thing is him put it there so for the spite. I rate that a wicked, the wicked spirit. You know, bother make no sense you look for here now, cause all of them paying the ID and the drugs, you get me? Yes, I. Hear the next clip.
Man, I'm king in the jungle, hold me head up high. When me daddy gone, watch your mother cry. No bedtime story, no lullaby. My life turn and friend turn me up.
No joke, you know people, it's just simple way him just say. It's like him not no father figure around. Him are the only man in the house. And at the same time, just know say life never so pretty and fancy, you see me? And then a bedtime story and them type of lifestyle. But have to turn a king in the jungle cause they rough. You get me? Yeah man people, so we jump in the next skit.
Why? Now put my trust in a woman, you know them get a lie. Like me spliff and cut my matic, I just got an eye. Father make a reason, all we need is just a chance.
Trust in a witch girl. You mad? You hear the dog just say, we don't know them they something with it. I have pick a bumbo clot a play bro God, so that's simple enough, Anyways, you can watch the rest of the video over upon Masicka page. The song is called Chance, you see me? Otherwise, them want to think about a review, yeah? Otherwise, leave a comment and like, you see me? We are jumping at the next clippings, you see me? So what we have up next? Boy Teejay.
If I know the one if you go kill a cow, clap the rifle, brain fly and I no pick a low. Click that double road, them boy they had up his show. I know they gonna the kill.
Go on 100 likes on the video, people, so keep the likes coming, you see me? Teejay look like him about to release a new video. Actually, it must say a Mother's Day thing, but basically I'm not sure. It's like him would do some moves and thing, you get me? And at the same time, him just nearly, I know you're a thing, Teejay, you see me? Not bother extra it up, you see me? But go and enjoy your life, bro, God. Him almost fall. And him could have twist him ankle, him could have do anything to him ankle, him could have ring it or anything, you get me? Yeah, so I'm going to show you the clip, you see me? You need to be more careful, Teejay, because I love and respect all of my Jamaican artists. Them. I don't like your vibes more while, because one place, all of we come from, nothing to something, so I'm see what the hype for more while and them something there, you get me? But, I'm show you the clip of me I talk about when the dog is a dance, you see me? But him say, I love it to ding dong them, you know that.
What do you? Boy, whoa, ooh, ooh, boy, boy.
Low L, sweet there no people, you see me? But anyways, at the end of the video, this like up, subscribe and leave a comment, you see me? The trendy dance, I'll get that in your head. Out and bad.